here's the Canon Datematic overall conditions. Okay, and here's the battery compartment. Then I've modified it lah. Okay, so inside here got a wire. Then we just put battery on this side. Yeah. Okay. Next, I will prepare this for you is to like stable the battery lah. So we just put at the same side together. And then put like this. Yeah. Then we push it, put it inside. So we see that the position. So the positive is face down, negative is face up. Then we just put it like this. Okay. Yeah. Then make sure that the plastic is outside, because if you want to take out or exchange the battery, then you just pull it out will do. Okay. Next thing, by clicking this battery check button, yeah, you can see here got a red light. Means that it's okay. Next is to pull here to open the back cover. Inside like this. Then we need to put our film at this compartment. And press the rewind knob down. Make sure it's fully down. Don't be like this. If you cannot push it, turn a bit. Yeah, let it lock. Then the film tip we insert into any hole at here lah. Okay. Insert it properly. If not, it will come out. Then you can't shoot anything. Okay. Then just wind it. Okay, like that should be okay. Then we just close it. Then we slightly like turn a bit, let it become a little bit tight. Okay, stop it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? Got two ways. One is when you wind, look at here. If you move together, which means that it's okay. Another one is look at this red color thing. If you move, means that you have loaded the film properly. Yeah. Next thing is to adjust the ISO. Just now our film ISO is 400, so we just turn the ring at here to 400. Yeah, like that. See? Okay. Then just all the way, shoot. If the environment is very dark, like here's the sensor, like I cover it. Yeah, you see the shutter speed will be slow. So during like indoor or under shade environment or nighttime, you must like hold it properly. Then only you stop it like that. Okay. Then here is the focus. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll follow at the center point, go to bracket. So yeah, if I use the bracket to aim thing, you see there's a split image. Like you see, I have two fingers at here. So we need to like adjust our focus until they align together, which means that it's okay. But you see, it's still a little bit slightly like difference because it's too near. The minimum focus range I think is 0.8 meter lah. Yeah. Then next thing is to adjust the year, the date lah. If you don't want, you can just close it. Here is the on off of the date function. Like that is off, like that is on. Okay, date imprinting lah. If you don't want, then you can just off it. So the date function is like this. You need to adjust at here. Turn to the day you want. And next, turn the month to, it will switch lah. Like that is like empty. Okay. Then this one is the year. Because the year is just until like 2083 lah. So yeah, some people they will just adjust with the month and the day. Or some people they just ignore it, we will close it. Next is the timer. Timer is set here. Just put it down like that. Click it and it will auto count. It took around 10 seconds like that. Then only you will fire the shutter. And your shutter is like stuck inside. Wait until it pop out. Okay, it should. Then next thing, you will pop out like that. Okay. And here we'll record how many shots you have took. You just shoot until like you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore. Then you just stop it and press the silver button at the bottom here. Press it, flip here up, and here will show you the way to rewind. You just rewind it until they become very loose. then means that it's okay. Then we just take out, open the back cover and take out the film. And here's the overall setting of the camera, and hope you enjoyed.